You can't tell me it's not hot right now in the UK wherever you are. I am dripping. But anywho, welcome to the video. Welcome your faces back. Today's video is about another keyboard, but the same keyboard that I've had previous on YT. If you haven't seen that video, it will be linked at the end of this video. Only on YT. Again, if you want to go see it, you'll have to search it up. And that video in question is the DrunkDeer A75 Pro. This is a Hall effect keyboard, so it is magnetic switches, so it has the rapid trigger and all of that good stuff. I don't know if they're going to be bringing out the snap thingy, whatever it's called, you know, with the A and D, where you can like strafe like this crazy. They might bring that out on software. I know that Mel Geek have brought that out, but it's not actually out for the public as of yet, because it's in testing, which I'm testing. So anywho, one they did send out a while ago is in this black and red colorway, and it is a aluminium body, but this has some different keycaps. This didn't come with the original board. These are the pudding keycaps from Techwear, and then we've got some metal keycaps here from Terra Keycaps. And then we've also got the DrunkDeer Anniversary metal keycaps, and then down the side here just some extra keycaps I got from Goblin Tech Keys. But that's the old board. They've sent out a new one today in a new colorway, and boy am I excited. I present to you the DrunkDeer A75 Pro. Again, with this unboxing, I'm just going to do it on my lap because it's warm, it's hot and sweaty, and I just want to get into this keyboard right away. Yeah. If you want to go see an actual unboxing of this though, there is one on my page from the A75 Pro in the black colorway. It's going to be the same unboxing. This one is just a different colorway, so we're not going to go really too in depth with it. I just want to show it off to the world. So again, the box is exactly the same as the last version. Oh, that is, oh mate. Okay, this colorway looks so good. So you get your little quick manual guide with all important dust cover that has the nice little logo on there. Keyboard, and then you get some extra little bits which we'll go through quickly, is just two little orange keycaps. As you can see there, they won't be going on because this looks fire on its own. Then you get a braided cable, which is USB-C to USB-A. Then you get a little cap puller. It doesn't have a switch puller, even though you can swap this board out because it is hot swappable. And then last but not least, you get the brand new colorway. This is the DrunkDeer A75 Pro in white and gold, which just gives Valorant like championship vibes. Don't even get me. Like, this thing just looks so clean. Obviously, I'm not going to go into massive specs about this, about pros and cons and anything like that, because I've done that in a previous video. It's the exact same board as the original A75 Pro, but there is a few things different with this that I noticed compared to this one. So I'll talk about that. One being the case. It feels more plastic than it does metal. I believe it is aluminium, don't get me wrong, but it just feels different because that one has a more of a metal finish, where this one's got more of a sleek marble effect to it. It's got this nice sort of colorway of the white with little dots in there to give it like a marble effect. Then you got the beautiful gold accents with trim at the top and then the gold backplate bit. And I believe the trim at the top you can actually swap out with the original, so you could have red and white if you really wanted to. Feet and stabilizers, all are the same. The only difference with this compared to the original is the switches inside. They are the same switch when it comes to magnetic features. Go with the activation points. You can change it on their web software, so you don't need to download anything on your PC if you don't want to. You can just do it directly through the website. Same with updating this baby, all done through their site. That's what I love. But with the switch, this is the silent linear switch. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still as fast as the original. It's just less clacky. And we will get into a sound test in the very end of this video. But for me personally, I love the colorway. I love what it just does for the board. Now, don't get me wrong, it doesn't feel as premium as the black edition, but it just looks better. I don't know what it is. This colorway just goes so well. Whether you've got a gold and white setup or whether you've got a white setup, this is just going to kill it because gold and white just sort of tend to blend so well together anyway. I believe the knob does the exact same features as the previous one. And again, you can go check them videos if you really want an in-depth about what's inside the board. I'm not going to go too much into it as I've already done this. This is just to promote the new colorway that DrunkDeer have brought out. I think this is better than the black and red. And I'm not just saying that because, you know, they've sent it. They haven't told me to say anything about this. They've just literally said, here's the new colorway. It's the same as the old one. A few little things that are different. If you want to talk about it, talk about it. And I thought, I'll talk about it. I think that's pretty much everything that I can talk about this board. Even though I do like myself a bit more of a louder board when I'm playing or when I'm typing, this one feels softer and smoother to type on. So I think it's about time that I jump into some Valorant and play. I'll leave you now with the sound test. And as always, remember, capture, create, captivate. And I'll see you all in the next video.